Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make some cheese straws. Start off by preheating your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. We'll start off by rolling out some rough puff pastry. To learn how to make rough puff pastry, click on the link above. I've already made my rough puff pastry. I'm going to roll it out until it's this thick. And then I'm going to put some cheese on half of the pastry. And then I'm going to fold it over to seal in the cheese. Just press it down a bit as well. And then cut the pastry into strips. And then I'm going to get one and then twist it. You're going to twist this. Just twist it all along. And then if any cheese falls out, just put it back in and twist it. And then put it on your baking tray. Repeat this process with the rest of your twists and put them on the baking tray. Brush the top of them with some egg wash. And then if you want, you can also add some of these sesame seeds or any other seeds that you want. And then put these in the preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes until nice and golden brown on top. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.